I didn't plan this at all. It started with one AI image and it turned into a full ad before I even noticed. Not for sneakers, not for cars, for a regular everyday product. Nothing mind-blowing, just familiar. What started as a test became a full AI production. Everyone says AI is making things one click easy. Well, not here. Let me show you what really happens. It started kind of randomly. I saw an image on Midjourney and it just had that something. So I figured, why not to try my own take on it? And I did. I kept generating and most images looked cool already, but you know that moment when you see it, yeah, that's the shot. And that was it. The one you are looking at now. At first, I was just playing around, making a few short video generations, testing motion, seeing how it feels. But somewhere in that process, I realized this actually looks like start of an ad. So why not to finish it like one? What product could actually fit this concept? So I came up with credit card. I went looking for a card that matched that lime green tone in the image and I literally wrote yellow credit card. That was my search plan. And the Revolut had one such. Perfect. I didn't even think twice, which I definitely should have. But I will get to that part later. I came up with this fake feature called coffee back, like cashback, but for coffee. Actually, ChatGPT came up with it, not me. So this is where it all started. One image. It might look like I totally knew what I was doing, right? Yeah, not really. If we zoom out, this is actually what it looks like. That's the real process. It's not like click, download and done. It doesn't work like that. And AI doesn't change it. It's a full workflow. A flow of testing, fixing, regenerating and re-editing. It takes time and it definitely takes patience. Might look messy, but it's not random. I know exactly what is where. Every node, every branch has its purpose. These projects aren't built in neat left to right timelines. They grow, they evolve, and I like it this way. This kind of creative mess works for me, especially with node-based tools. In my case, it's Weavy AI. I really like this tool, and if you would like to try it, find the link below. What I especially like on these node-based tools is that I can stay in one place, tweak visuals, test motion, and refine the whole thing without ever leaving the flow, which is cool. It's not chaos, it's just structured according to how my thoughts were evolving at that time. So everything was going pretty smoothly, the shots were coming together, the pacing felt right. The whole thing finally started to look like an actual ad. And then, halfway through, I noticed something weird. Wait, what? Is this a card for kids? No way! So here I am making a cool, moody, adult coffee ad for a children's card. Even though it didn't really matter, I couldn't unsee it, I had to fix it. So I redesigned the artwork. And then I could really easily generate two new, basically identical clips with new card. That would take like 5 to 10 minutes maybe. But I had way better idea to spend whole hour tracking, rotoscoping, doing content aware fill, all this because. Anyway, after fixing the card, I moved into editing, the part where it all finally comes together. I worked on pacing, synced movements to the music, and built that flow that makes it feel like an ad. I also used Wondercraft to generate the voiceover, just as a base tone to build around. It helped a lot, but like everything else, it still needed a human touch to actually feel right. And yeah, it's not perfect. It's a good piece, I'm happy with it, but I am not trying to make it look like something it's not. What this really shows is that AI is great. It's fast, flexible, and it gives you new creative directions. But the real value comes when AI and standard skills don't compete, but they complement each other. Because no matter how advanced the tool gets, you still need a creative sense, timing, taste, storytelling to turn all that tech into something that actually works and solves the problem. It's not perfect, but that's kind of a point. AI can help, but it still needs real creative skill behind it. The best work happens when those two don't compete, but they complement each other. And that's it.
Some mornings aren't rushed, they flow. One sip, one beat. A moment that's yours alone. The world hums quietly in the background, and everything just feels right. Because every great morning deserves something back. With Coffee Back, every cup comes with a smile. Introducing Coffee Back, your daily groove rewarded.